Hello everybody, today I'll be teaching you how to make a YouTube thumbnail. So first you're gonna need two apps, they're both free. It's YouTube Studio and Thumbnail Maker. First thing you wanna do is go to Thumbnail Maker, and then you wanna click on this right here, and then you go in Photos. You click one of your photos. So this is the photo I'm gonna use for example. There's also like a text, you can type anything. So I'm gonna say playing world's largest hobby. There's some like text that you can click that can make it like more stand out more, like this or that. And then you can also do, I'm gonna change it to that. You can change the color of it, different patterns of the colors. I'll keep it like that. That looks good. Okay, and then we can like make it like larger like that. Some things you do need to like pay for, like the blur, like where the crown is in the corner right there. Those are the stuff you need to pay for. And you can make it have a shadow. And yeah, there's also emojis you can use. So for example, I'm gonna use where is that, YouTube emoji right here. And also I'm gonna try to find an arrow. There's an arrow pointing out how small I am. Okay, and here's like shapes you could use. I'm not gonna use that. You could also have different filters to make it look different. I'm gonna keep the original. I don't really know what this does, but I'll, yeah, I don't really know what this does. You can figure that out yourself. Uh, and you can, the exposure makes it brighter and stuff. So I'm gonna keep it high. This makes it like dark or light. So I'll keep it like that. And this, I can't even see purchase now in a way, but like, yeah, sometimes this happens. So you just click return. Sharpness, so higher it is, more sharper it is. Yeah. And this one, like the lighting right here, and then highlight makes it like brighter. I'm gonna keep it like dark like that. And shadow, it doesn't really do much except for the colors, so I'm gonna keep it like that. So now what you want to do, you go here. Oh, oops. Yeah, sometimes it pops up. It's kind of annoying. So you can look if you like this thumbnail, and then you click this arrow right up here, right by the battery. Click here. Okay, now what you want to do, click save picture. Okay, once you save it, you go here, and go to YouTube Studio, and then you go to the video you want to change the thumbnail of. Let's say, I'm not going to change it because I don't want to change this. So, yeah. It also has a watermark. It's kind of small, but yeah. You go to here, and then you click edit thumbnail, and then over here, change, and you go to all photos, and then voila. You click select, and then you click save. That's pretty much it. I'm not gonna save this stuff because I don't want to change this. I'm gonna put it back. Wait, actually I can because I deleted that thumbnail. Discard. Okay, that's pretty much it on how you change your thumbnail. But here's a side note. You need to sign up. You need to sign in on a computer, your YouTube channel, on a computer for this to work. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. So comment down below what else you want me to do and do how to. Yeah, that's all. Bye.